Hello, my name is Heather, and today I'm going to show you how to access the WH Security online agreement. When you sign up as a new security customer, you will receive an email from your sales representative that directs you with where to find the online agreement and gives you a username and password. And I'm just going to show you where you go to find that. So you will start by going to our website at wh-security.com. And you will click on the My Account button right here below our phone number. Once you're there, you will click on this Online Agreement button, and that's where it will prompt you for the username and password that you would have been given by your sales rep. And it is case sensitive, so please pay attention to that. And after you've typed it in, you'll click Login. And here's the agreement. It is that simple. So just to show you the agreement quickly, it has pre-filled the current date. You'll type in your name, address, city, state, zip, phone number, email. These are the things that you purchased, whether it was a medical alert or if you have a basic intrusion system, if you added on some flood sensors, you can check these boxes here. We'd also like you to select from the drop-down which sales representative you worked with. That just helps us link your accounts. We also have two buttons here at the bottom that we would like you to read our terms and conditions before you accept them. So if you click on the links here, you can see the full terms, read through, make sure you know what you're signing, do your due diligence. Then you'll click on the checkbox, and then our right of rescission is also right here. You can read it. It's not very long. Just lets you know how to cancel if you change your mind. So after you've clicked both boxes, you'll click the submit button, and that's all there is to it. I'm not going to do that because I'll get all kinds of errors because I did not actually fill out the form. But you would fill out the form and click the submit button at the end, and then you are all set. If you have any questions about this, please give us a call at 763-477-3664. Thank you.